it's Dina B with Let's Try and See, and today I have this very pretty cut crease eyeshadow look. I used only a few colors this time. I used purple, okay, obviously the Magic palette has different names, but it's basically a purple, pink, and light blue that I used to create this look, and that's about it. And I hope you guys enjoy it. But before I go into the tutorial, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button. Hit it, bang it, tell your friends, have your mom subscribe, have your sister subscribe, have your brother subscribe. Everybody needs to subscribe because I'm trying to get my subscribers up. I finally hit 200 and I'm so happy that I did hit it. And then, you know, I want everybody to grow with me. Grow with me. Grow. Grow. Anyways, to the tutorial. Okay, so we're going to start off with our eyebrows already done, and we're going to go into our Juvia's Place Magic palette, and we're going to grab Crease, and we're going to use a brush to go ahead and carve out our base. And like I said, I started using Crease because it's creating a nice white base so that the rest of our colors can show up quite brightly. And I am really enjoying the Magic palette. I will be doing a in-depth review for the Magic palette pretty soon. I'm just waiting for another Juvia's Place palette to show up in the mail. So yeah, I'm gonna do a review on all of those pretty soon. And then the next thing I'm going to do here is grab Nana. Ooh, Nana. Oh, Nana. I think I messed that up. But we're going to try to do a transition shade. But as you can see, Nana's a little bright for me as a transition shade. So I decided to grab Zakaya and darken that up. So in a second, that's what I'll be doing. Ooh, na, na, na. It's the... Okay, I'll quit. I'm going to get a copyright strike and defamation strike at the same time trying to sing. Okay, and then once we get that blended in, we're going to go back into our Juvia's Place palette, and we're going to grab Koji. I'm sorry, Koji, not Zakaya. We're grabbing Koji, and we are going to use Koji and tighten up and brighten that, or darken that transition shade using Koji. I love these buttery colors out of this palette, man. When I tell you this palette is bomb.com, why y'all didn't tell me? Why y'all didn't let me know that Juvia's Place existed? Why I had to find out late? When I tell you this stuff is bomb. Yeah, I'm singing and dancing. That's my dance move. It's copyrighted. Don't try to steal it, please. There it is again. Copyrighted dance moves, people. All right, so we're going back into the Juvia's Place palette, and we're going to grab Ife, and we're going to basically create, not a cut crease, what do you call this? We go into the crease using Ife. Would that be a smoky eye? I'm tripping. I'm so sorry, y'all. But we're going to go into our crease with this beautiful purpley color. But you notice that I'm just sticking in this one area of the crease. We're not filling up the whole eyelid, if that makes any sense. Okay, and you will see in a second why we did it this way. So make sure you focus all of your power using Ife into just this part of the crease. I wish I knew what song that was because it looks like I was jamming. But yeah, notice how I'm focusing Ife right into just that area of the crease. Yes. Okay, so we're going over that to make sure that I got enough depth that I need. And then the next thing we're gonna do is grab our flat concealer brush, and we're gonna grab our concealer, the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn, and we are gonna cut that crease. And we are gonna stop the top of the cut crease right where the color gets dark on Ife. Okay? So watch that. You see how it's gonna be like a little shadowy right there? So we're cutting that crease, but we're only going up so far. If that makes any sense. Hopefully that does. And then we're gonna do the other eye. Okay, so once we get that in and we got our line as neat as we can get it, we're going to go back into the Juvia's Place palette and we're going to grab Crease once again. And we're going to set that concealer. So there you see me setting it using Crease, and I'm trying to be as neat as I could possibly can. I don't have like any precision brushes, so please forgive me. If you got a precision brush, please leave it in the comments so that I may go get it too. And we can be, you know, precise together, okay? So there I am with Crease, and we are setting that concealer. You see how bright it is now? Now we're gonna get an angle brush and we're gonna go in and use Yehide, which is that dark blue purpley color. Oh, I'm sorry, I used a whole different thing. It's a black eyeshadow from Wet n Wild. Damn, I just violated my magic palette. I'm so sorry, magic palette. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and create a shadow above Crease. See how I kind of darkened it a little bit? Making that line a little darker. So pretty. And we're gonna do that on both eyes. Okay, so once we do that line with the black shadow, all I'm gonna do is go back in with my concealer and do any touch-ups. So that's what you see me doing here. Well, after this. Okay, so the next thing we're going to use is the pink color called Osun, and we are going to fill in where we painted Kisi in. So we're going to use this fluffy brush, and we're going to grab Osun, and we're going to fill her in. Now, Osun is like this very soft iridescent pink, and basically it's coming off white on the camera because my lights are really bright, but it's a very soft iridescent pink, and it looks amazing. And so we're going to fill in that white spot that we created on both eyes. And then on top of that, we're going to grab Zuba from the Juvia's Place Magic Palette, that pink color there. And we're going to go on top of Osun just to basically get a little more dimension and a little more pinkness there. So that's what you see me doing there. And we're going to do that on both eyes also. And then we're gonna grab that little, that individual black from Wet n Wild once again, and we're gonna line our lower lid. So that's what you see me doing there. Just basically smoking it out so that it looks nice. And then we're going to grab this fluffy brush, and we're going to create a very, very soft not a cat eye, I'm sorry, a very, very soft smoky eye, just basically giving that little area a little bit more dimension. When I tell you this came out so nice, I was very happy with it. And once again, we're going to use our best friends, our makeup wipes, and we're going to clean off any fallout and basically clean up that edge right there to make it very crisp. And yeah, now we're going to move on to our lashes. I actually did lashes on camera, so this is going to be a treat for you guys. My lash routine is very unethical, so I will not be explaining what you're seeing here unless you really want to know, and then you can like hit me in the comments and then I can explain it to you. And here we go. We're about to have our lash on. And I just want to apologize. There was a small section of this video that got lost. I'm not sure if it just didn't record or if I accidentally deleted it, my foundation routine. But my foundation routine is the same in all my videos, so it's not like you're missing out on anything. But I will explain that. So this is basically the end. And there you go, guys. This is my very sexy purpley pink look. I will give it some kind of sexy name later on. So this is my final look. So unfortunately, my footage from when I just did like my foundation routine, it did get deleted, unfortunately. Well, or deleted, either that or never recorded, I'm not sure. But it's my traditional regular foundation routine using my Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation in 356 Worn Coconut. And then I'm highlighting with my black opal powder, which I don't know what I just did with it. I'm so sorry. Oh, there it is. My black opal powder in warm. And then I did go back into my magic palette and I used this beautiful purpley iridescent color called Faso in the corner of my eyes. And those are the things that did not get recorded, unfortunately. And then my lips is this beautiful purple. Where is it? See, I'm totally unprepared and I am so sorry. It's this beautiful color called Beat Me. And I use that on my lips with regular lip liner. And this is my final look, and with my frilly blue dress. And we're gonna be taking some test shots today, and that's why I decided to shoot a video. I really tried my best with the eyeshadow. I was trying to do like a very pink cut crease. So I hope you guys really like it. And you know, this is a learning channel, I always say, and I'm very grateful that you guys are willing to learn with me and watch me build my channel up. So, you know, before you guys leave, don't forget to subscribe, and so you can, you know, stay in the know with these different techniques that I'm learning together with you guys. All right, so thanks again for coming to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and make sure you come back. All right.